Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix Vrbo guest review not posting. So to resolve this issue, you can start by waiting out the 14-day blind window. If one party submits a review, the other has 14 days to complete their own. The review will remain private until both parties review or the 14 days elapse. You can also switch to a desktop browser. The Vrbo mobile app frequently experiences UI glitches preventing users from reviewing past guests. So you can just simply log into your account using a standard web browser like Chrome or Safari and a computer. Now the next what you can do is check the booking details. Make sure the reservation was not booked through an outside travel affiliate like Expedia or HomeAway, as affiliate bookings may not allow ratings. Now make sure that it meets content guidelines because reviews are automatically moderated by the system to filter out profanity, spam, or hidden contact information. Now the next what you can do is contact the support. Just log into your Vrbo app, then go to your profile at the bottom right corner, then scroll down to help and feedback. Then you can just simply go to chat now to contact with the virtual agent, to chat with the virtual agent of Vrbo app, or you can just simply tap on the widget, the help center, and ask for your queries. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next one.